Welcome to Health Bulletin, and today we're diving into the ultimate cosmic showdown, two supermassive black holes on a collision course. Imagine the most powerful forces in the universe, each millions or even billions of times the mass of our Sun, locked in a gravitational dance that ends in one of the most violent events, a collision. But what exactly does that look like? This simulation, using advanced computer models, gives us a glimpse of what happens when these titans of the universe collide. At the beginning of this animated GIF, we see the glowing gas surrounding two black holes. The gas is shaded orange and purple, and it is tightly wound around each individual black hole. They each have a tail of gas, looking like a comma. As the animation proceeds, the camera moves to see the two black holes nearly in line with each other, and then back to see the bottom of the system. As the view tilts, the gravitational effects of the black holes at the center cause the light to bend like a funhouse mirror. It's as though reality itself is being stretched and distorted by their gravitational pull. To put it in perspective, these aren't just any black holes, these are supermassive black holes, millions to billions of times the mass of our Sun. They sit at the centers of galaxies, and when they collide, the energy released is more powerful than anything we can imagine. It's like watching two galaxies colliding on a cosmic scale, except it's all happening in this tiny region of space, with gravity doing all the work. But why does this matter? Why should we care about two distant black holes colliding? The answer lies in the ripple effect. When black holes merge, they send ripples through the fabric of space-time, known as gravitational waves. These waves travel across the universe, and here on Earth, scientists can detect them with instruments like LIGO. It's like listening to the echoes of the universe's most violent moments, signals from billions of light years away. These collisions help us understand the very nature of gravity, black holes, and how the universe itself evolves. Collisions like these are rare, but when they happen, they reshape our understanding of the cosmos. It's a reminder of just how small we are in the grand scale of the universe, and how much more there is to discover. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, out there, somewhere, two supermassive black holes are on a collision course, creating ripples that might one day reach us. Thank you for watching Health Bulletin. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of space, science, and health. Stay curious and stay young.